an unboxing video, and it's my very first subscription box of July, and it is a pink parcel. So this arrived this morning. So I've opened it up ready for the video, but I haven't had a look inside. So I do like a spoiler, so I haven't got a clue what's inside. If you're new to Pink Parcel, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. It is a beauty monthly subscription service for women, and it contains all your sanitary protection you would need for a month, and you get to choose whether you want tampons or sanitary pads, or you can have a mix of both. You get to choose the brands and also the date you'd like your box sent out to you. Now it costs £12.99 and you can cancel any time. I do have a refer a friend code for a discount off your first box, so if you want to learn more about Pink Parcel and you're interested in my code, then click on the show more and that'll bring up the description, and everything will be down there. So I'll show you what's inside and how it comes. So the first leaflet is just saying about the Pink Parcel shop. If you go onto Pink Parcel website, you will see that they've got a shopping area, so you can purchase any of the beauty items that are generally featured in these boxes and other beauty items as well. Then we've got a Pink Parcel post. Now in here it outlines everything that's inside your box, all the beauty treats, which I'll get into in a little while. It tells you about their size, how much they are, and what I like to do at the end is gather all the products together, add them all up and give you an overall cost of what the box would cost you if you were to buy the items individually. So inside the for you is opening up. So inside the box you get different compartments. So you've got your sanitary protection, and I've opted for pads, so I will show you those in a little while. But also you have a for you box. So in here are your treats. So inside every month in Pink Parcel you get 7 treats. So you always get 5 beauty items, which could be a mix of makeup, skincare, hair care, accessories, tools, you name it, anything related to beauty. And then you always get like a tea bag, and you get a sweet treat like a chocolate or something similar. So yeah, so that's quite nice to have. So it's not just sanitary protection, you do get some treats on the side as well. So I'll just put them down to the side and I'll just give you a quick view of what they are. So you get a little pouch, which is handy just to pop in your bag, and the designs vary. I don't think we've had this one before, which is quite cute. I quite like it. And in here you get a mix of, as I said, I went for pads, so I've got some pads and some panty liners. Then in the for later box it's just the regular pads, a selection of those. And then in the for night box is the larger pads, so there's 5 in there. But it's this box that everyone gets a bit excited about, so let's open this up and see what's inside. I'll show you first actually. So not sure how much you'll be able to see, but there you go. I'll put it down to the side of me, and as I always do with my unboxings, I'll grab an item, show you, have a look, have a feel, have a sniff as I normally do, and then I'll refer back to the Pink Parcel post. So this is Pink Parcel's Glow Edit. Ooh, I'm not going to read the items because they tell you what the items are in there, but yeah, and I'm excited to see what's inside. So my first item, nothing to do with glowing, not really, well, I don't know. I do love this though. I think they are amazing. We've had them before. It's Joe and Seth's, and it's popcorn with caramel and Belgian chocolate, smooth and rich. I haven't had this flavour before, but oh, I absolutely love popcorn. And it's a nice little snack pouch as well. But oh, this brand is stunning, really, really good. I love it. So this is a 16-gram pouch. This is a sample or a little snack bag, but for the full 80-gram pouch, it will cost you £4. And it says the perfect snack to take to outdoor film screenings this summer. It's gluten-free, vegetarian, and free from artificial flavours, colours, and preservatives. Oh no, I love it. I love that. I can't wait to try that afterwards. So the next item is a mud masky. I've never had mud masky before. Is it in a glossy box maybe? I have had it before somewhere. So this is, it looks like a sample size, and it is a 15ml facial detox purifying recovery mask, and it's purifying, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening and smoothing. Oh, that sounds really nice actually. I can't remember if I liked it or not. I wonder if it was a hair mask. No, a face mask that you left on all night. I think that's the last one I had, and I didn't think much of it, in all honesty. It didn't do much for me, but I might be wrong. I could be talking about something completely different. But no, this one sounds absolutely lovely. It's got a seal thing on, so I won't open it up. But let's see what it says on the information booklet. I've just had a sneak peek. There's another one in the box, but they're classed as separate items, so I'll just read this one first and then I'll try and search for the other one. So this is a facial detox purifying recovery mask, and this is a sample size, and for the full 60ml it would cost you £60. Whew. That's quite pricey, isn't it? Apply a thin layer to cleanse skin, leave for 10 minutes and relax as the Moroccan lava clay gets to work removing toxins. Oh, it sounds really lovely. This multitasking mask is a real glow getter. Oh, I can't wait to try that. That sounds really, really nice. So no, quite chuffed with that. So let's feel for the other one. I got it. Right then. So this is a sleep renew. I think this is the one. I was right. This is the one I tried before, and I don't think it did much for me. So I'm going to keep that and I'm going to pop it in a future giveaway. But I'll just let you know what it's all about. So it's a sleep repair renewal nourishing mask. It's repairing, hydrating, rejuvenating, smoothing and protecting. And this again is a sample of 15ml. There you go. And the information says it's exactly the same. For 60ml of this, it would cost you £60. This invisible night mask absorbs instantly on application, so your pillow will thank you. The BH Balance formula contains kaolin clay, rose water and shea butter to reveal brighter, revitalised skin. So yeah, so I'll pop that in a future giveaway. So no, quite a nice item to put in a box, because I do know some people really liked it, so it's just me. Next item. Oh, it's an item I don't like whatsoever. I think it's awful. Apologies if you do like it, but it's a Balance Me and it's a Flash Cleanse micellar water. I love micellar water. I use it all the time. I've tried lots of different brands, and yeah, you can't beat a good old Garnier one, but yeah, this one, it leaves my skin feeling awful, as if I've got like a horrible film on my face. Oh, I don't like it at all. So it's quite cruel of me to put something so bad in a future giveaway, isn't it? So I don't think I will, because yeah, I don't think it's fair. Because it is, it's not nice. But if any of you do really like it, let me know and I'll send it out to you. So yeah, so that's fair, isn't it? That's fair enough, I suppose. But anyway, it is, I forgot to say, what is it? It is a 30ml and it's a sample. And the recommended retail price for 180ml is £16. With hyaluronic acid to brighten skin and keep moisture locked in, plus nourishing neroli oil, this is so much more than just a cleanser. It sounds wonderful, but it just doesn't feel wonderful on my skin, unfortunately. Not a good one for me. Never mind. Next item. Oh, I've got two of these. They are really good. They are amazing, amazing cloths. And it's a Magnetone and Wipeout, the amazing microfiber cleansing cloth. Removes makeup with just water. So that's what that looks like there. These are worth quite a bit of money from what I think. I'll have a look now. It will tell me in the information. But yeah, I've had one in a Look Fantastic and I've had another Sunbox, I'm not sure. But yeah, they are really lovely. They are really, really good. Handy to have, handy to keep with you, handy to pop in a bag if you're going away for the weekend or something and you don't want to bring loads of beauty products. So no, yeah, I'm not sure what I would do with another one. I'll possibly put this in a future giveaway as well. So let's see what the information says, if I can find it. Where? So this is a full-size item and it would cost £14.99 for a pack of 2 of these. Simply wet this super soft microfiber cloth in warm water and glide over face and eyes to wipe away makeup. This innovative beauty buy is eco-friendly and removes even eye makeup with water alone. So no, I really like that product, but as I said, I've got 2 already, so I don't need a third one, so I'll give that away. Next item. Oh, I'm picking up the micellar water again. No, there isn't 2. It's a cup of tea, or a tea bag I should say. So this is We Are Tea Super Berry Infusion Tea. Oh, I love tea and I love herbal teas as well. So this is a berry one. Oh, this sounds really nice. So yeah, just fruity flavours. I love fruit. I love lemons. I love berries. So that's what that looks like there. We always get a tea in our pink parcels. So it says for 15 of these, a box of 15, it would cost you £2.99. Bursting with health boosting antioxidants from red berries, hibiscus and rosehip, this fruity cuppa is a perfect concoction to get you glowing from the inside. So no, I'll have that later on. So my last item is, I think it's a makeup item. I like the packaging. Who's it by? Jelly Pom Pom. And it is Star Drops Light Activated Glow Drops. Ooh, that's what the outer packaging looks like. Oh, I'm excited to see what this is. Have I got it upside down? I can't tell. Apologies. It's pretty cool outer packaging. Let's see what it looks like inside. It's a light reacting. Oh wow, that's a really nice colour. So definitely a colour I'd go for. I tend to go for golds more than pinky sort of shimmery ones. That is quite gold. Whoa, look at that colour. Look at that colour. Hopefully you can see it there. Let's blend it in a bit more. Oh my word, you only need a tiny, tiny bit. So this is a full-size item, whoa, and the recommended retail price is £32. It says to complement a dewy complexion and really up your glow factor, mix a few drops of this light activating formula to your moisturiser or foundation for subtle golden sheen, or apply directly to cheekbones as a luminous highlighter. I'll try a bit on my highlighters, on my cheekbones, I mean. I'll just put a blob on my hand there. Ooh, you can see a little bit. Oh heck, I've put on a bit much there. 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 Does it show up? I'm not too sure. I can see it in the mirror here, I can see it, and it looks really nice. It is quite gold though. It is quite gold. I think it would look stunning with a tan. I think on me at the moment it's not that great, but I think it's, you know, it's mainly to be used in a moisturiser and a foundation, not directly on your face like I've applied it, but yeah, it's a highlight, it's drops, isn't it? So it's supposed to illuminate your face, so I just thought I'd give it a try. But no, I quite like that. And yeah, I'm going to look forward to putting it in my foundation. So there you go, those are the 7 items. I think it's a better box than last month. Talking to some of you lot, you said that you've noticed that Pink Parcel seems to be taking a bit of a nosedive when it comes to their boxes, comparing to possibly last year or previous to that as well. Yeah, you've noticed in the last couple of months it haven't been as great, and yeah, looking back on previous boxes I tend to agree. I haven't had a wow box for a long time, and this is not a wow box for me, but it's definitely a box I like, and it's a box, you know, I'm still going to continue to receive because I just really like it, and I love the fact that you do get a really good mix of products as well as the sanitary protection. Because we've got some samples here, I can't put a price on the samples, so but on the glow drops and the facial cloth there, the cleansing cloth, it comes to £40, so it'll be over £40 for all of this and your sanitary protection on top. So considering you're paying £12.99 a month, I think it's a really good value box. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.